Oh, wasn't that worked out really good? See, be quite open. You're already stressed. We might as well put that in there while you're there.
Is well, 96 life managed, but he's been here for about 2 years now. Last week.
What happened to him?
He was attacked by a cat. It was an open compound fracture. The bone is now forming a callus, and obviously you see that it has good blood supply, so it will heal. The rest of his injuries are healed. I'm going to apply sulfidine to gauze to keep him from using this wing and protecting it. That wrap that is cut in half. Start from under. Making sure his other feathers do not go in. Pressing them down. Wrapping. Tight, but not too tight. And you're going to wrap it from his wing to the back side. Oh, Nick, don't come on to me yet. You're going to wrap it under his other good wing. You need to watch how tight you wrap so that you don't compress their air sacs. And he needs full mobility of his legs, so you need to make sure that it's above their thigh.
Now, why do you have the towel over his head?
So that he does not see what we're doing, handling. He is still a wild animal.
So it doesn't twist his neck off.
It doesn't twist, it's a form of restraint so he doesn't stress and have a heart attack. Also keeps him from biting us. Okay, he's all done? He's all done. He's already had his antibiotic and pain meds.
It's always with the new wrap on it, it's always a different tension, so consequently, he's got to get used to whatever that
And we're away.
is. We're just a little stressed.
Are you gonna talk now?
I don't want to talk about anything.
He looks really good. You look really good, yes you do.
And he's able to move his legs the way they're supposed to, so his wrap is good.